Good morning. I'm just Karen again. I am going to do the part two, like I promised yesterday that I would do, of the grinder. It's now set overnight. It's hardened, and we're going to see if all of the teeth filled it. Because the last one I did, I was missing like 4 teeth on the bottom end. So you just take your thumbs and get it started. It's a little hard. If you have any spillage over like that, you can't get it off. Okay. Got a little bit of overspill. So you just pop it, peel it around till you get that part of it off. And then I push this little button in the middle for support and just kind of peel it off. And so far it's looking good. You see the teeth. I don't see any missing ones yet. But I didn't have that problem on the other one either, on this end of it. This one, because it's not very deep, so it's pretty easy to get down into the. Okay, so that part's good. Now we're going to try the part I had difficulties with on the last one. Same thing, just peel it back till you get it down around there. Put your hand or your thumb right there for support, and just start peeling it. Peel it slowly so you don't break anything off. And this time it worked. So using a toothpick, to poke down into these little holes. I just put the tooth, after the resin was in, I took the toothpick and put it down in there and wiggle it around so I see bubbles pop up. So I knew that was all getting down in there really good. And then I took the heat gun and blew the bubbles out. So this one came out. All the teeth are there. You can't really see. Okay, there you go. All the teeth are there. And all the teeth are there. And just put the top on. And there you go. Ready to go. Okay, that was the what do you call this, grinder part 2, and it worked. It was a success. Thank you for watching. Bye.